Hi, I'm Mark from L&M Small Engine. Today we're working on a Craftsman 8-horse, 26-inch cut with a 12-inch auger snowblower. The skid plates are getting wore out on it, and on some of these older snowblowers, you can't buy new skid plates, so I'll show you how to fix them and adjust them. So hope you enjoy the video. Okay, the skid plates are here and here. They rub on the cement, so it saves your cutter, this bottom piece under your auger over here. If you don't have skid plates, you just wear out this cutter plate right away. So let's go ahead and pop these off here real quick. And as you can see, they're about ready to fall apart. So what we're gonna do, you can go to any hardware store or a welding shop or fabricating shop and just get a piece of flat iron like this. Then what we're gonna do, put it on there like this and just tack it on there and bend both sides. Then we'll adjust our cutter plate. Okay, I cut the metal, and we're gonna put a pair of vice grips on there. It's gonna put like a little weld here and a weld here and a weld here. Then we'll stick it in the vise and pound these two ends down so it equals that, and we'll tack it here and tack here on both of them. You know, a lot of these older snow blowers, it's just really hard to get these skid plates. You can buy skid plates, but it seems like the bolt pattern is a little bit off. So, and these last so much longer. You know, you can see the thickness of the metal. So just get it and have it flush on this side here. You don't want it sticking out like this. On this side here where it bolts up against the blower housing, you keep it flush. And if you don't have a welder, sure, there's a place where you live, I'm sure someone has a welder, they'd be glad to do this for you. And it's so much cheaper and it'll last so much longer. So we're gonna put 3 tacks on it, about like, I don't know, 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch long. One in the center, one here and one here. Make sure that's flush. Okay, we'll let that cool a little bit, then we'll stick it in the vise and pound them 2 ends down. Okay, I stuck it in the vise and I just pound at both ends, just like that, and we'll put a tack here and a tack here, and that'll be done, and we'll go do the other side then. And there you go. Now we'll do the other one now. So just like before, line it up and kind of have the same distance on both sides there. Like that. And we'll tack this and bend them 2 down and tack the ends. Okay, got them tacked. So I'll go pound them down real quick. Okay, I got it pounded down. And the reason you just tack it, if that ever wears out, you know, to replace it again, you just grind where you welded. Instead of welding the whole thing solid, you'd have to do a lot of grinding on it. Okay. That's how you repair your skid plates, and this hardly costs you any money at all. Okay, now we're gonna square everything up before we put them skid plates on. And the first thing you want to do is both tires have to have the same pressure. I got both these set at 10 pounds each, because if one tire is lower than the other, it's gonna screw up the leveling of the front end. And I like to use wood shims when I do this, and that's how we're gonna adjust our height. We're gonna put these under the scraper, anywhere from like a 1/8 of an inch to like a 1/4 of an inch. And that way your scraper plate's off the ground there. So then we can go ahead and put our skid plates on. Just go ahead and set them on, make sure they're flat on the surface. They're nice and flush on the ground. Plus we got them shims under there, so we know it's going to be perfectly level. There, now we can go ahead and take our shims out. And when you go through the snow, you'll save your scraper on the bottom. And you just put all the pressure on the new skid plates that you replaced. You know, skid plates, I imagine they're anywhere from $8 to $20 a set. Depends on where you buy them from. Probably more at the dealer. But a lot of these older ones, it's really hard to find the right ones that will fit. They sell universal ones, but 9 times out of 10, the bolt holes don't line up. Oh, and I forgot to mention that 4-foot stick of flat iron I paid like $7.99 for it. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. I appreciate you watching. If you like my videos, please press the like button and subscribe. Anyways, you guys have a good afternoon. Bye.